It's hard to deny that the Toyota 4RUNNER remains one of the most charming SUVs on the road. It's capable, it's bulletproof, and, perhaps most importantly, it just looks cool. Toyota announced updates for the 2023 model year, so the earliest the new 4RUNNER would arrive would be 2023 as a 2024 model year vehicle. Toyota is moving its body-on-frame trucks and SUVs to their new TNGA truck platform. Like the Land Cruiser, the 4RUNNER has traditionally been built in Japan. One question with the new common platform is whether Toyota could shift some or all 4RUNNER production to North America. Probably Toyota has been downsizing its engines throughout its truck and SUV lineup. 5.8 models are moving to Vs, and the 4RUNNER, currently packing a 4.0-liter V6, will likely feature 4-cylinder powertrains. That seems likely. Toyota has previously said all vehicles would have at least a hybrid option by 2025. The 2.4-liter hybrid max powertrain, which puts out 340 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque in the crown, could be a performance-oriented upgrade option to compete with upper-level versions of the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco.